Hello everyone, today I am gonna break down combo number 3, which look like this. This combo is made up of 7 linkages. The first linkage is Sonic 3 4 2 3 to thumb around. When doing Sonic, turn your palm side to do thumb around. Keep practicing this linkage until you get it. After this, the second linkage is thumb around to thumb around reverse. It is also called thumb around harmonic. Don't forget to like this video, share and comment your thoughts. The third linkage is thumb around reverse to Neo Sonic 2 3 to T2. If you know how to do Neo Sonic 1 2 T1, then this would be easy for you. The fourth linkage is Neo Sonic 2 3 T2 to Neo Sonic reverse T2 to 2 3. This is the easiest linkage I have ever done. The fifth linkage is Neo Sonic reverse to Twisted Sonic reverse. And then the sixth linkage is Twisted Sonic reverse to pass 3 4 2 3. After this, the seventh and last linkage is pass 3 4 2 3 to Twisted Sonic. Done. Now practice them one by one to do this combo. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this and art tutorial.